Hey, welcome to the Toadstead. We're on our next little project here. And there's Papa Les. Hey, turn around and say hey, Papa Les. We'll try and remember to put his channel in the bottom here. And we got Little Bit and Magpie down there learning about steering. Because we're putting a couple of new tie rod ends in Papa Les's Chevrolet. And we'd never miss an opportunity to get the young people involved. Let them learn something. And let them do all that bendy stuff us old guys don't want to do. Alright. Now she's just screwing the other one on. You can see we've got the old one marked. And we are going to do our darndest to get this thing aligned by hand as much as possible. And I think we'll be able to get it close. And we'll come back and we take a peek underneath. And there Les is tightening up that outside tie rod.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And you can see the tape he put on there.
You might want to turn on your light.
Yeah, come on. You think you want me to like improve the quality of my videos?
It wouldn't hurt.
Okay, well that's not in keeping with the Toadstead way, but and this is the bad one, and yeah, it's pretty darn bad. So, just decided to do them in pairs. And for those of you who don't know what we're doing, that one stays tight, that one comes loose, this entire rod comes out, so we get the focus, and it goes up through, and there's a castle nut right up there. Off it comes, and we'll see if we can catch Papa Les when he pops that loose with the fork. Get that cotter pin out of there.
No, it's tightening. No, I need to flip it. That's what I did.
The drop light is smoking. Getting rid of that excess grease up here.
Yeah, we got 18 years of grease.
And there it comes.
That one was a lot easier to get than the last one was.
Yeah, we just left the nut on there and whacked it on the top and it popped right out. See if we can get you an angle here.
Got it.
Thank you.
There you can see where it's popped out.
Well, that's a long
Yeah. That's so you can put WD-40 on the next planet, you see?
Well, yeah, it's looking good too. Now I gotta get that.
Watch, let me get it from up here. It's a whole lot easier. Hey, that's what you call multi-talented. Camera in one hand and a wrench in the other. That's YouTube right there. Alright. Finally got that sorry thing out of there. We ended up having to put a pair of vice grips down on this area and tighten them quite a bit to get that nut off. But now Papa Les is going to go ahead and mark where this tie rod end is right there, so we can match it up with the new one and really try to keep the alignment. And there it is with the castle nut back on, nicely greased, a little bit of over spurt there in the bottom. So now just put it back together again. And of course no job is done until all the tools are cleaned and put away. Luckily we got some awesome helpers.